Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to remove your seat harness from your KooperX2 stroller. So I have a seat here that I've taken off, and you don't have to take your seat off, but I have done it to show you guys. So the first thing you want to do is a little trick I discovered. You want to loosen these shoulder harness straps all the way down, like so. Okay, you'll see why in a minute. So to start, you'll turn over your seat, and you want to start with the crotch strap first. That's this part right here. So you just want to take this tab, go long ways with it in to the slot, and this fabric will hang you up, but just push that through too. It's going to come through here. Okay, and now your crotch strap is out. Next thing you're going to do is where the back of the seat meets the bottom of the seat, there's a zipper right in here. So you're going to want to unzip that. And there's a seat board in here. So get that seat around the edges. And you're going to pull it out until you see these two tabs. These are the waist straps. So you're going to take these out, just like the other one, through the slot. One. Two. Those are out. Now, because we loosened these harness straps, it's going to give you room to get to those by pulling the board out. So now you don't have to try to get your hand up in there. So now we're going to remove them from the board here. Go this way. See, the fabric will get you hung up, but you just got to push that through too. There we go. That's one. Let's do the other one. There we go. Now your board is out. Now you can take them out of the seat, and you can fit your hand up the back of the seat to help you do so, like so. One. Two. Three. And four. And that is how you remove your harness from your KooperX2.